guys. So I'm gonna be rolling again. I'm gonna be roleplaying as a little bunny boy. I'm eating, so sorry if I stop talking. Okay. So let's go. Okay, hang on. Okay. So I'm gonna go right down here and into the room and say, and no, I'm not gonna say. Okay, I'm gonna sit down and tell people to please adopt me. Please adopt me. Is little boy, please adopt. Is this how you adopt? Is don't know. I'm just setting this up, guys, so sorry this is taking so long. Okay, there. So you guys are gonna hear the keyboard clicking a lot more, but you're also going to hear me a lot better. You will also hear the mouse a lot better because I just moved the microphone to like where I'm sitting like close to my mouth, I guess, and close to my mouth is near the keyboard and the mouse. I'm not really paying attention to what people are saying. I think Abrit, please don't judge if I say the name wrong, but Abrit is singing, I can't remember the song, but I do know what she's singing. Tattoo on your shoulder, but yeah, I can't remember. Wait, I think it's hey, I was fine before I met ya, but drink too much before I met ya, but I'm okay. And something, and hey, no breaks your heart, moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no car, now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop, no, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. But that tattoo on your shoulder, I can't remember the rest, but it was like something that she said. Now I know the song, but yeah, I'm a really horrible singer. Don't judge, please. I don't want a babysitter. I just want my mommy. Sorry if you guys see the recording thing, but I'm going to stop right here, and I'm not going to stop, but I'm going to stop the I'm going to stop the recording and switch the music. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, for you, a lot of you guys might know the song, but pretty sure all of you do. Not all of you, most of you do. But anyways, going to go to a different Wait, what? Jamal Township, yeah. Because I can. Also because I'm not getting adopted here. But anyway, yeah, I have all my colors on. But if you guys know me, well, then you guys will probably know. Like, if you guys watch all my videos, then you guys will know that I like to match my colors a lot. So here, my bunny is black, and I have a black scarf. That sounds so racist. Oh my god, I'm sorry, guys. But I have a white and gray, what is it called? Leg armor, white and gray leaf leg armor, and I have white and gray eyes. And I have a yellow and red tail, so red ear, yellow stripe, and I also have a red worn blanket. So, bam, chakalaka. So yeah, my ear is red for my red blanket and my red tail. But hopefully I can get adopted in this place. Hoping so. Just sit down and do the nope. I don't think these guys are role players. But I'm just going to stop right here. Oops, sorry. Stop right here and find a world where I can get adopted. Okay guys, I finally found a place after like 10 minutes of just surfing through servers. But I'm really cold. My rats are just sitting and cleaning themselves. So cute. Wish I could show you guys. My Siamese rat, Luna, is just not biting, cleaning her foot and falling asleep with her wooden clothespin that she likes to chew on. But anyway, enough talking. Get back into the game. There. Oh, who is this young lad here? Who are you? Are you abandoned wolf pup? Is that what your name is? Did I read it correctly? I'm guessing what it says, Johnny. Baby Johnny. Who are you? Yeah, it's abandoned wolf pup. Why is abandoned wolf pup just following me and sitting with me? Oh, is that at the same time? It must be love. No. But anyways, please adopt and no, I don't want and please adopt me, please. Is little boy bunny. I want to play so badly, but I'm just think that I'm weird and be like, oh my. Wait, guys. Should I be the big brother? Or should I just sit here in sorrow and wait until someone just comes to be my mother? Like, I don't want my music to be so loud that you can't hear me, but I also don't want it to be so quiet that you can only hear me. So I don't know, like, what's a good range of music, because my dad is a shop. Okay, sorry. I was just paying attention to Night Girl to Night Girl 42418 because she's the Rudolph Sloth. The ultimate Rudolph Sloth. Wait, hang on, I have to pause. Okay, guys, sorry, I was just, looking at sloths because I could, but look at this. Look, I have to turn off my music, hang on. Don't mind me. Okay, there. But look. Can you guys hear this? That was like a horrible video that I did like a long time ago. Oh my god, the light on it. The lighting. It's so bright. Wait, I need to do something for you guys. Camera overlay, what? Affections, what? No. Color and effects, brightness. Oops. How did that happen? But, what? Cancel, wait. Yeah, but, can I? Stay cool, bro. Okay. I'm sorry, that was just so weird. Next thing. I think my camera's in the right place. I'm really sorry if it's not focused. Well, not focused. Well, not focused. It's, I meant, hang on, I have to open my email. Okay. Sorry about that. But my email is open. And sorry, I got... Wait, where the frig did you go? Wait, are you not? Okay, good. So I have one something. Where's my dad? Okay. Okay, Johnny. Okay, Daddy, Johnny, boy, sing, poo, Gilbert. A party! No. I can't live with a fan of a party because the only good people are Julian 2, Scorm, and Wisteria Moon. The order that I like them in is Julian 2, Wisteria Moon, then Scorm. Yeah. No, I can't. Julian 2 is the best, not Pari. Pari isn't good. Pari isn't good enough. I have a sister already. Anyways, she's already at another den. I don't know where. But she's at my den. What? Sorry if you guys experience muffling. Anything. Oops, jeez. I'm just bouncing on top of my computer chair and I don't know what I'm doing. But, anyways, this is BRB. No. This is the end of, getting a roleplay family part 1. stay tuned for the next one. Sorry, my voice is so high, but not so high, but so loud. But please stay tuned for the next one of these videos. See you later.